So, you've thought about starting a YouTube channel. You have ideas, you see the potential, but one thing holds you back. The camera. The idea of putting your face out there for the world to see can be intimidating. Maybe you're a private person, or perhaps you just want your content to be the star of the show. This is where a brilliant and increasingly popular concept comes into play. The Faceless YouTube channel. It's exactly what it sounds like. A channel where you, the creator, never appear on screen. Your identity remains completely separate from the content you produce. The beauty of a faceless channel lies in its focus. Instead of building a brand around a personality, you build it around a topic. Think about some of the massive channels you might already watch. Many documentary-style channels, animated story channels, guided meditation channels, ambient sound channels. The creators behind them are anonymous, yet their content reaches millions, proving that high-quality, valuable content can stand entirely on its own. Now you might be thinking, okay, a faceless channel sounds great, but creating videos still seems like a ton of work. And you'd be right. Traditionally it was. You'd have to be a skilled writer, a graphic designer, a video editor, a voice actor, all rolled into one. But here in 2025 we have a secret weapon: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer futuristic. It's a practical toolkit that automates and streamlines production. It's like a dedicated production crew working for you 24/7. Imagine this workflow. Ask AI to generate 20 video ideas for your history channel. You pick one. Ask another AI to write a compelling 1,500-word script. Next, visuals. Use an AI video generator to create custom clips from your script. Then use an AI voice generator for a professional, human-sounding voiceover. Finally, use an AI-powered editor to piece everything together and suggest background music. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of content creation today. Every great YouTube channel starts with a great idea, but coming up with a constant stream of fresh, engaging video topics can be one of the most challenging parts of being a creator. This is where creative burnout often begins. Fortunately, AI is an incredible brainstorming partner. Tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude are not just for writing. They are idea generation powerhouses. Start by feeding them a simple prompt about your channel's niche. Example, type, "I have a faceless YouTube channel about ancient civilizations." Then ask, "Give me 15 video ideas in the style of a mystery documentary with catchy, clickable titles." Watch the AI generate an instant list you can use as a content calendar. But go deeper. Don't take the first list. Refine your request. Ask the AI to analyze current trends in your niche. Use TubeBuddy, VidIQ to analyze search volume and competition. Plug a ChatGPT title into these tools to see if people are searching for it. For faceless channels, pick niches that thrive on information and storytelling instead of personality. History, true crime, science explainers, financial literacy, top 10 lists. With a validated video idea in hand, your next step is to create the script. This is the backbone of your video. It dictates the pacing, the story, and the information you'll deliver. Start with a hook, divided into 3 main sections. Large language models like ChatGPT are your go-to tool. Provide a detailed outline and ask it to flesh out a full script. For example, write a 10-minute video script about the lost city of Atlantis. Start with a hook and end with a call to action to subscribe. After finalizing your script, it's time to create the visuals. Paste your script into a tool like Pictory or InVideo. Its AI will automatically analyze the text and find stock clips to match each sentence. It then assembles these clips into a rough cut of your video. If you want more unique visuals, AI image and video generators like Midjourney or Runway ML can create original assets from text. For a history video, prompt, "Cinematic aerial shot of ancient Rome at sunset, hyper-realistic." This creates a distinct visual identity for your channel. The final part is bringing it all together. Manual trimming, color, audio adjustments. Use AI-powered editors like Descript or CapCut to speed up edits and captions. This intuitive workflow is especially powerful for beginners. Auto captions improve retention and accessibility, essential on YouTube. Export a finished video and prepare your upload. You're ready to publish. Now that your video is visually assembled, it needs a voice. A clear, engaging voiceover is critical for keeping your audience hooked. Today, AI voice generators have reached a level often indistinguishable from human speech. 11 Labs, Murph.ai. Pick a voice that fits your brand. Choose language, accent, and style presets. Export a high-quality audio file in minutes. With your voiceover complete, choose background music carefully. Licensing can be a nightmare. Use YouTube audio library tracks to avoid strikes, or generate royalty-free music with SoundRaw or Mubare if you need custom scores. Pick a genre and mood: cinematic, ambient, epic, sad, hopeful, or tense. Set the desired length and export a custom track. This ensures no risk of copyright strikes. As you put these pieces together, it's crucial to maintain your anonymity. Never use your real name. Create a unique brand name and a pseudonym. Use a dedicated email, avoid linking personal accounts, and consider a VPN and virtual payment cards. Be mindful of the digital breadcrumbs you leave behind. Check image metadata and keep branding files free of personal identifiers. Build a massive presence while your real-world identity remains private. You have now walked through the entire blueprint for creating a successful, anonymous YouTube channel powered by AI. We've covered how to generate endless ideas using language models. We've covered how to write compelling scripts automatically. We've covered how to produce stunning visuals without a camera, and how to add professional voiceovers and music without prior skill. We've also covered critical steps for protecting your privacy. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Upload your first video. The tools are here, accessible and powerful. The only missing ingredient is you. Don't fall into the trap of perfectionism. Your first video will not be your best video. The goal is to start, create, publish, and improve. Pay attention to analytics. Watch time and retention matter. Read comments to understand what they want next. Consistency beats perfection. Plan a realistic weekly schedule. Use AI efficiency to build momentum. Small steady wins add up. Open that browser tab. Start a new document. Type your first prompt. All that's left is the first step. Go get started.